Between work, chores, plans, and everything in between, staying organized can feel like a full-time job. And that's exactly why this planning calendar from MAKELLO has helped me keep track of my schedule so much easier. Hey guys, it's Rebecca with WTI, and this calendar was so easy to install. It comes with all the mounting hardware so you can hang it on the wall right away, and it works great in a kitchen, office, bedroom, or even a shared space. One thing I really love is that it's made of acrylic, so it blends into your space and looks really subtle instead of being super distracting on the wall. It's perfect if you want something functional but still clean and minimal. It also comes with helpful accessories including whiteboard markers, a pen holder, and a cloth so you can start using it right away without needing to buy anything extra. The dry erase surface makes it so easy to update your schedule and reuse it every month without wasting any paper. Plus, it gives you plenty of space to write appointments, reminders, and plans. I also love the notes section because it's perfect for things like grocery lists, chore lists, or extra appointment details. So if you like being organized and having your whole month planned out in one place, then you need this calendar. And that's my point of view.